Hello, and welcome back on my YouTube channel. If you're here, then you're ready to start a new drawing. That's great. Here's a quick to get you started. Open AutoCAD and select New Drawing from the File menu. Select the template you'd like to use for your new drawing. If you're not sure which one to choose, the AutoCAD.dwt template is a good default. Set your units. Depending on what you're drawing, you may want to use feet, inches, millimeters, or something else. You can set your units in the Units tab of the Drawing Setup dialog box, or by entering UN and then enter and then set your units according to your drawing. Set your drawing limits. This will determine the maximum size of your drawing. You can set your limits in the Limits tab of the Drawing Setup dialog box, or by entering limits and then set the limits. First limits is set to 0 feet, and secondly according to your drawing. Set your drawing scale. If you're drawing something that needs to be scaled, such as a floor plan, you'll want to set your drawing scale in the Scale tab of the Drawing Setup dialog box. Set your layers. Layers are a great way to organize your drawing and make it easier to work with. You can set your layers in the Layers tab of the Drawing Setup dialog box. Set your dimensions by entering D and then enter to set your dimensions, and also set the text size. And then by entering L for line and draw as per your requirements. Once you've set everything up, click OK to create your new drawing. Congratulations! You're ready to start drawing. Remember, AutoCAD is a powerful tool, but it can be overwhelming at first. Take your time, explore the different tools and commands, and don't be afraid to ask for help. Good luck, and happy drawing! Subscribe my channel for more informative information.